everything just went blank.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Got the boo thing behind the camera, and we just arrived to the car wash. Yeah, we're gonna get this car wash because this car is dirty as hell and needs one. Appreciate y'all for coming back to another video. Appreciate y'all for the love on the last one. But yeah, we about to wash this car because this shit is dirty. And then after we might go eat. So yeah.
Disgusting. How do you zoom in?
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do the car wash POV style right now. So yeah, we're just gonna POV style with the car wash right now. We're gonna put you on the hack for it real quick.
Fancy.
They're gonna be like GTA style, you know? It's already recording. It's already recording. Why are you so close to my face, dude? New phone for this?
Oh yeah.
Nice, nice. That's a nice car. So we're gonna switch over to this now, alright? Need my card, y'all. That would suck if I didn't have that. But I need. Let's get her washed.
I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover. He's currently washing the car with the water.
This is ceramic coated too, so the water should slide right off.
Why is he so thick though?
Look at my wheels, bro. Ew. So much brake dust. Hold up. What is this? Is that a curb rash? Oh my god, I thought it was a curb rash for a second, bro. I got scared.
He said he was gonna let me spray it with water, liar.
Wait, is it? I am so confused right now. No, it's not. Oh, god. It's dirt. It's dirt. We good. We good.
He's got 1 minute over there wasting time. Oh no, wait. It's going up again. I don't know.
I was about to say, if I curb rash it, I was about to say L driver. L driver. Hey. We'll use the best soap. Best. That? Yeah. Go. Yeah. Cover it all up. You good? All right. Damn. Get on there. Now we got a blow dryer. This is the reason why. She always asks why I come to this car wash. Mainly for this blow dryer, bro. Honestly. What'd you say? Time to vacuum. See, this thing has an all-in-one, bro. All-in-one. What? This has an all-in-one. Now I can vacuum. Vacuum. What'd you say?
13 minutes later.
Get the wheels. And we're still waiting on the center caps. The boy over at CNC Production said he was gonna send me over them when he gets the chance, so we're just waiting on those, but we are getting the center caps. Almost done, almost done. The front wheels always stay clean because the brake dust ain't as bad as it is in the rear. Rear brake dust is crazy. But guys, we are pretty much done. Car is all wiped down. Wheels is looking all nice and spiffy. Car is glistening. And bro, that ceramic spray, the ceramic spray held up very well on the car. So shout out to Fast Guys Auto Detailing for that, bro. When they put on the ceramic spray, I think it's like for 1 year it protects the paint. So it protected it very well. Made the water slide off real easy. Now we're probably gonna go find something to eat. Yeah, ain't nothing really much planned today. Just decided to pick up the camera and just start vlogging, see what we do, see what we get into. But yeah, nothing really much planned. So we just going with the flow. Damn. We got some like churros. Oh my god, bro, you can't even really see. Okay, there you go. You see the churros, strawberry, Nutella, banana. Look at that buzzing. But we're in line for tacos and burritos. Down right now with the queso burritos. Yo, this spot hit. Ain't those tacos. If y'all have never been here, I'm putting y'all on. This shit is buzzing. That shit was loud, bro. That just said bah, bah.
Tomorrow.
What is up, y'all? We is continuing the vlog on the POV camera on the Go 3. Right now we're actually gonna go meet up with the homie George in his M340i, and we're gonna go to the cemetery and visit his dad and my uncle, because they're both buried at the same cemetery. But decided why not do a POV on the way. I hope it's not too windy and you guys can kind of hear it. And obviously you guys know we are in comfort mode. Fun fact, this is like my old childhood neighborhood, this area over here. And these are my old apartments, my childhood apartments. I used to live on this top one right here, this top corner one. I think I was probably like, damn bro, maybe 8 or 9 at the time. My homie Sean used to live there. We would go over there, hang out. And then I moved over here, literally down the street, into these apartments right next to the 7-Eleven. Right into these, which is funny. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? Homie, he's about to throw up. Whoa. Homie tweaking. And this is my old elementary school. Bro, give me a little time helping my mom. I will be making a U-turn to get some gas because the homie George needs some time. That should be the perfect time to show you guys how I put gas in the car, because yeah, there's a way to put gas in my car. E50 mix, that's what we gotta do. We gotta get some gas, eat some E50 mix, and get some elote up in this B, and we should be good. Oh, Turbo Joe. Alright, I'm gonna show you the process. So right now it says 77 miles. So I don't have like like BMW usually has this app where it'll tell you exactly what your percentage is, but I don't have that. So I kind of just guesstimate it. So I'm like at a quarter tank. I'm at 77 miles. The E85 calculator. I put my tank size, and then E50, the current fuel level it's at right now. So I'd say like 70%, 77. I'm gonna say it's like 28%. That's what I think it's at, like 28%. We'll fill up the rest with 460 gallons of gas, and then 526 of ethanol. So that's how usually I'll do it. Like I said, on the BMW app, it'll tell you like the percentage, so it'd be like easier to just read it off, like 28% and all that. But the Supra app does not have that, and yeah, I kind of gotta guesstimate it. Unless I have like the actual flex fuel kit, then it'll like let me know what my percentage is at. But yeah, I don't have that, so I kind of guesstimate it. Usually I get it right though, so usually I'm on the dot, so we gonna see. All right, open up the tank. Let's get this, put some 91. And then we just, oh, I had to hold it, that sucks. All right, so I gotta hold it. Challenger, is that Beeves? Is that Beeves? 460 is what I have to put, 460. Boom, 4.6. It's okay if I went a little over. No biggie. Let's get to the $21. All right, $21. All right, and then the rest we will add the E85. And let's see if we're right. Usually, if I'm right, we'll know. It will stop at 526. That's what we're aiming for. If it hits 526. Bro, I am just good at this shit, and like my guesstimating on this is already like spot on. So we're gonna see right now. Wanted to switch up the content, the style a little bit, do a little POV, a little walk around and all that. But the Supra is looking good, bro. The ceramic coat held up very nice. She is glistening. But y'all should have seen in the sun, bro. When we get in the sun right now in a little bit, you're gonna see when we get over there. Shit is glistening. 526. See, sometimes I could be a little off, bro. So 526, and it's 4.9, so it's not that off. Let's see if we can like finish it off. You know what I'm saying? Oh, 5055, bro. Oh, it's okay. We'll stop. Oh, okay, we stopped. Okay, I was about to say we're done. But we got it to 5.2 at least. But yeah. That's how you do your E50 mix. If you have like the calculator and the flex fuel kit and all that, it'll be easier and you'll know how much to put exact. But me, like, I guesstimate it because I don't know. But as you guys seen, I'm pretty good at my guesstimations. Just a little off, but I topped it at 5.2, like it said. Full tank, huh? Come on, guys. Come on, man. Usually when I turn on the car, the warm start will like do a high rev and then give it a loud pop. But I usually just throw that shit and drive really fast when I turn it on because I don't want it to pop because that shit is really loud. Yeah, I had to throw that boy and drive real quick, you feel me? Well, yeah, that's how you do an E50 fill up. Just in case y'all didn't know, when you get an E50 mix, that's what you gotta do. You gotta put both types of gas. Aha. Chupapi mo ñoño. at this guy. Fucking head ass. No, this dude George thinks he's so low, he's gotta go through sideways. We had to pull over real quick before we go to the spot just to get some flicks behind the water fountain. Cause this look how sick this shit looks, bro. That looks tough, bro. It looks so tough. Oh, we're gonna die. Cars are looking hella clean next to each other. Super looking fresh. F340i looking clean. Just look at that. Sheesh. Man, look at that ass, man. Look at that ass. Two nice booties right here. Very nice. Super looking. Very nice. Get. This is sick. Raider Hasbro. Sorry guys, I'm not a Raider fan. Unfortunately he was.
Quit playing. I'll get out the way, kid. Hey, hire me to be a cameraman.
Car member?
Fuck, I fucked up.
Right word was cameraman. Me.
To be your cameraman.
But we here, bro. We here with the unk. We here with the unk today.
Why is it zooming into your face on its
you're
own?
holding-
I'm not doing nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
holding this.
Sorry guys, I don't know how to use this camera.
Fired. Okay.
How much you paying me though?
Hired and already fired. Bruh. You look like Lacey.
I am.
I
If I
am.
was fat.
If I was fat.
Look guys, this is my jet right there. Take off on that motherfucker. Just kidding guys, this one.
That one of it.
Yeah, hell no.
Still got the heart here, but it's the first time I've seen it actually empty.
Nobody cares about you anymore, bro. That's fucked up, cuz. It's only me and you, bro.
That's fucked
Nah,
up. I need to hit them up to tell them to bring me back my plane because I've left it here for a while already. I need to give it back.
Shut the fuck up,
Dude, our whips look so sick from here. Just look at that. Christmas. We is out of here. Oh, I think I would catch this plane right now for a sick reel. We're gonna meet up later at the homie Elise's house because it was his birthday on Wednesday and he's throwing like a little party, so we're gonna do something there. And yeah, what is this we're trying to do? What do you want, you fucking jackass? Alright, catch you. At the homie Elise's house because like I said, it was his birthday Wednesday. We're gonna do a little something for him, or he's having a little party. I don't even say party, he's having like a little get together, I should say. And yeah, some of the homies are gonna pull up, some friends, and just gonna kick it and then cut a cake later for him.